God has given you.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful, y'all.
With your family at your side and God in your heart, may your Mother's Day be blessed the entire year through. Love your granddaughter Mika. Remembering you getting my first pair of glasses from Sears. Remembering you initiating me to get baptized. Remembering your unconditional love. I love you always.
That's right.
Beautiful.
Amen. Now,
Ma, you gonna open yours?
now, Mom, check out the real gift.
I'm strong enough. 80 is the new 40.
Is the new 40.
Really? Really? Okay.
And 40 is the new 50. Oh.
Hey, for real? You going up? You need a knife. You got a knife or something? There's a cord in there. Did you throw that away?
I ain't throw anything
Well,
away
just
there.
open up your cord
I
for
just
it.
laid it over there.
Happy birthday, mommy. Just rip it open. I guess.
Grandma, weren't you around when they first?
When they first what?
When the cars first started becoming like the cars.
You mean like the Fords, the 1933 Exas? No, she was born at that time.
Exactly.
But she, stop, boy. Sit down before you fall. Before you fall.
I didn't bring my glasses, so
Okay. Oh, okay. Y'all, man, what are you doing, man? Your day, say on the front, your day to hear the words of love and thank. Hey, Tamika, read this for her. Read this for her. Read that.
It's your day to hear the words of love and thanks that aren't spoken nearly enough.
That's right.
Your day to know how very much you're appreciated for being the wonderful person you are. It's your day to be as good to yourself as you are to everyone else.
yeah.
Because no one deserves happiness more than you.
Yeah.
With love. Oh, Mother's Day.
She's an actor too, y'all. Actress. She's an actor.
She's a good actress. You see how she jumped into that mold, right?
Right. I thought she had took her medicine this morning.
Oh, when I said that about Facebook, don't put me on there.
Let me know I did
That
not
ain't gonna
offend you.
happen.
That is a beautiful thing.
Oh yeah. I mean, I was born back there when the Ford car. Yeah, came Ford car. And then I got a Ford.
And I think that's like
You don't need a knife. You don't need a knife to get into that. You got a knife or something?
I think it's wonderful that you can actually
I'm still
see
here.
how life has changed and progressed.
Right.
And you know, you from the old school.